How to permanently delete your TikTok account. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can delete your TikTok account forever. Okay, firstly, open up the TikTok app. Next, click on your profile picture in the bottom right hand corner. Once you're in your profile, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right hand corner. Then click on Settings and Privacy. Next, click on Manage Account. And then click on Delete Account. It will ask you why you're leaving TikTok. You can either check one of these boxes, or in the top right hand corner it says skip, so you can click on skip if you would like to. Next, before you leave, it gives you the option of requesting a download of your data. So if you've got posts that you want to keep, you can actually request for that to be downloaded. You can either, to do that, just click on the red request download and go through the steps. But if you want to continue and just completely delete your account, then click on the checkbox at the bottom and then click continue. And then your account will be permanently deleted from TikTok. And that's all it takes to delete your account on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment below if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.